Rosemarie Avilion of the National Economic Development Authority. Yusek Rose is presently the Undersecretary for National Development Policy and Planning of the NEDA. She holds a PhD in Economics from the Crowe University in Australia, an MA degree in Economics from University of the Philippines School of Economics, and an MS degree in Statistics from the UP School of Statistics. She is also a 2019 Presidential Gawad Career Executive Service awardee. Among her major responsibilities is shepherding the formulation of the Philippine Development Plan, elaboration of the country's priorities over the medium term, and is the blueprint of government policies, programs, and projects. She chairs the Social Development Committee, Technical Board, Technical Committee on Tariff-Related Matters, and National Innovation Council Executive Technical Board. The floor is now yours, Yusek Rose.
Thank you, Dr. Ruel. That's me. So, good morning to everyone, and first of all, my sincerest appreciation to PIDS for selecting this theme, and also bringing the discussion back to the Ambition Natin 2014. Indeed, that is actually what I used for my title here. That growing and strengthening the middle class is actually the path to Ambition Natin 2014. And thank you also to Dr. Toots Albert for that overview of the middle class, defining the middle class and characteristics of the middle class. Actually, back in, I think it was in 1996 or 1997, when Dr. John Yap and I, and actually si Ermi Yap, we actually did also a paper on defining the middle class, and so that was one of the first attempts to define the middle class in the Philippines. And using empirical data, using cluster analysis, and using the Mahalanobis distance to differentiate the classes.